Hi, I'm Sara Regester with Directions for Wellness, and I can help you to master your stress. Stress mastery is not a program to reduce stress or manage stress. Stress mastery offers you a mind, body, spirit transformation in your stress response. So that when you have a stress response reset in how you navigate through those stress triggers, how you deal with those competing priorities of things that really matter to you, it's going to be much more sustainable to your health, your key relationships, and how you show up in your leadership. Because this is my point. If your children are stressing you out, you're not going to get rid of your children to reduce your stress. You might want to, but ultimately you need to find a more productive way to parent where you can respond and not be reactive. That this is really key to that stress response reset in how you deal with those edges and those triggers that pull you into your stress patterns. And so in the work environment where there's so much demand about the competing priorities, about how you are navigating with difficult people, and to be able to hold your space, to stay in solution orientation without having that fight, flight, or freeze, and importantly, how you can have those conversations with confidence. And so if you're someone who's feeling burned out, where you might be feeling really stuck, or you might be at the edge of the anxiety cliff, that my clients are typically success-driven individuals who look like they have it all together on the outside, and on the inside, it's completely a different story. And I know who you are because that was me. As a healthcare practitioner, for many years, I kept wiping out my health from my stress patterns until the epiphany came when I realized there's actually a way to be successful and to not wipe out my health in the process. So if you're too busy to schedule a call with me to explore how stress mastery can support you, my book, it's all here. The Courage to Shine, How to Feel Confident Outside Your Comfort Zone is available on Amazon and Audible. So if you're a self-help, growth mindset, success-driven individual, I relate to you. And if you want to have a conversation with me so that I can hear about your stress patterns, that we can explore together how stress mastery will bring you that transformation in your stress response, reach out to me and let's schedule a call so that we can connect together and I can offer you how you can master your stress.